What's going on, investors? My name is Dayo. Welcome to Frunkla Investment. So in this video, I am going to be talking about the tweet that Bionano Genomics CEO Dr. Erik made yesterday. And also, I'm going to be talking about the institutional investors, what they have been doing, because we have a new filings that came in a few days ago and yesterday, I believe. And also, I want to share with you guys what somebody has been doing. Yesterday we saw a large order of Bionano Genomics shares coming, and today also there has been two large orders of Bngo. So institutional investors are buying, they are loading their ship. And also I want to talk about a price model from one of our friend on Twitter. He shared it with me. This guy has a price target of $20, so I am going to talk about it for a little bit as well. Also, I am going to show you guys what happened with the price action today, because today the stock is down. Okay, I am going to be telling you guys what you should expect in the coming days, like always, technical analysis. So before I continue, if this is your first time, and of course if you want to help this channel, click on the like button. And guys, please join the channel. It costs about 99 cents. It helps me to come here every day and share my due diligence with you guys. Let's get into it. So for those of you that are new and are not aware of this channel before, if this is your first time on this channel, there is going to be a link below. So you can feel free to just click on that link and you can see the Bngo Bible, where I share my 101% due diligence. And of course, every day I am updating it. It used to be 72 pages, but right now it is 75 pages. So let's continue. This is also something that I would like to share with you guys. This is interest over time, the interest on Bionano Genomics as a company, as a stock. You guys can see the ticker Bngo. In December, before Christmas, when the stock went parabolic, you can see right here, 20th of December to 26th of December 2020, which of course is when I jumped on this company when it was trading around 50 cents. You guys can see how the interest went parabolic. I mean, it takes a lot of luck and calculative decisions and so on and so forth to jump into something at this point before it went parabolic. So you guys can see right now the interest over time has been correcting. It has been correcting, and of course at one point it is going to consolidate. You guys can see that it's consolidated from 2016, 17. I think no, they went public in 2018. So these right here are all maybe about the company, but for sure not about the stock going public. So from 2018, that's when Bionano Genomics stock went public, and you guys can see the consolidation till middle of 2019. Then we started to see some spike in searches, and then in December of 2020, bam. So right now I believe we are correcting, because the stock price has been more or less stable for the past 2 or 3 weeks, but it was going down heavily from February 16th. I believe it was going down, and you guys can easily see the pattern right here. So should, in case you want to know what's going to happen next, and I'm going to be tracking this like always, so you want to subscribe to know what's going to happen, okay? And you want to be checking my videos every day, because any moment from now this trend may change. It's either we consolidate for a while or we jump back up, okay? Because right now we have a lot of even people talking about Bionano Genomics all around social media and so on and so forth. So something good is still going to happen. Let's go to the next page. All right, guys, so this is an event that is coming up very soon. European Association for Cancer Research. Okay, it's going to be a virtual congress, and Bionano Genomics is going to be participating. I think they are also a sponsor of this event. So if you go to the program, for example, let's go to the program and see what they will be talking about. These are the topics: artificial intelligence, biology of blah blah, brain cancer metastasis, breast cancer lineages, DNA damage, DNA repair, immunogenomics, and so on and so forth. Those are the topics that they will be talking about. And you guys know that whenever it comes to DNA, genome, and so on and so forth, that is where Bionano Genomics come in, because we have a device known as the Sapphire that can analyze the genomes more than all those technology from sequencing technology out there can do. So these are going to be the speakers at the event. You guys can see Switzerland, Israel. It's more or less an international event, okay? Canada, France, even though it is called the European Association for Cancer Research. Of course, this is more or less a global event because it is virtual. You don't have to be present at the location. So it's going to be happening on the 19th. It's on the 9th. It's next week, Wednesday or so, I believe. Next week, Wednesday or Tuesday. That is 9th. Today is 3. So it's going to be happening till 12. Of course, if there's anything, I will let you guys know on this channel. So another reason for you to subscribe if this is your first time on this channel. Let's go to the next page. All right, guys. So this is what has been happening. I am telling you guys that institutional investors are loading their ship. Look at this. Yesterday, June 2nd. I mean, I was so tired to make a video because I wasn't feeling really good. You guys can see the size that somebody bought yesterday: 105,000 shares of Bionano Genomics, which was around 653,000 US dollars. And today, 6 hours ago, immediately the market opened, somebody bought 132,000 shares of Bionano Genomics common stock, and right here it's the price 858,000 US dollars. Okay, and like few hours ago, 4 hours ago, somebody bought again 168,000 of Bngo shares, and it is worth about 1 million US dollars. Okay, and this right here is from 41 seconds ago. As you guys can see, this is the largest one so far. 216,000 shares of Bionano Genomics at 6.3 US dollars, and the amount, of course, is 1.3 million US dollars. So if you are wondering, like somebody asked me yesterday, if now is the best time to put money into Bngo, you guys can see 6.3 US dollars. Somebody is throwing in 1.3 million US dollars. Of course, these are possibly institutional investors that we are talking about. So guys, I don't want to like it, because once I like it, a lot of people will get notified. So this is the, you guys can see nobody has liked it so far, no retweet, nothing. So luckily I just happened to find it. Let's go to the next page. All right, so this right here is something that Naveed Saleem from Twitter shared with me. He has a model and a price target of 20.5 US dollars of Bionano for Bionano Genomics. You can see right here the rent, how much you expect them to make from the Sapphire device, for example. Sapphire 1.1 genome per year, Sapphire 2.0, which is going to be the 14-fold increase in the throughput of Sapphire later this year. You guys can see it right here. He modeled everything out. He expect them, because Bionano Genomics said it's going to be towards the end of 2023. So that's why I believe he put it right here in 2024 as 5,000 or 5 million US dollars. I don't know if this is based on 1,000 or so. I believe it is based on 1,000. So you guys can see his model from 2021 till 2030. This is a very good one and very similar to my model as well. Okay, and for 2023, I told you guys that I believe Bngo is going to be profitable in 2023. If you come where he has his total revenue per consumables, total revenue consumable, yeah, total revenue right here, you can see 96.9 million US dollars. That is what this guy has. Mine is 90 million US dollars. So for 2020 he has 51.8 million US dollars. So there is a possibility that next year Bionano Genomics is going to be a profitable company, guys. I am still going to make a separate video about profitability. So this guy has a price target of 20.5 US dollars. So I just thought I should share it with you guys. That is more than 200% upside from current level. Let's go to the next page. All right, so Dr. Erik Holmlin, he is the CEO of Bionano Genomics. He made this tweet yesterday. Of course, I already made a video about how 10,000 US dollars invested in Illumina in 2004 became 1 million US dollars in 2018. If you invested 10,000 US dollars in Illumina in 2004 when it was trading around 5 US dollars, in 2018 you would have about 1 million US dollars. I made a video about it comparing the stock price action, the technical analysis with Bionano Genomics, and I told you guys that right now Bngo is at 5 US dollars, and as you guys can see, Dr. Erik Holmlin seems to agree with what's happened on this, because I also spoke about this article from on the Monthly Fool, which title says, could Bionano Genomics be a millionaire maker stock? So he said, check it out, Noice. So I really like this sentence, Noice. So that is going to be the title of this video we are watching right now. So guys, let's just dive over to I think I made a comment on this here. I made a comment and I said, let's go, people. This is the link to the video I made talking about how Bionano Genomics could turn your 10,000 US dollars right now into a million US dollars in the next 10 years, for example. So if you haven't seen the video, go and check it out. Just go to my channel. You can find tons of video on my channel. Let's go to the next page, guys. Okay, guys, so the market just closed about 4 minutes ago, as you guys can see. So Bngo went down today 5.1%. More or less all growth stocks, most of them went down today, not all of them, because I have growth stocks like ADMP going crazy right now, up over 50%. Yeah, up over, and Tesla went down today also about 5%. So Bngo went down 5% today, but in after hours, you guys can see it is up a little bit. So the market cap now is 1.7 billion US dollars, which of course is not really bad. I mean, more or less we are still at the same place we were more or less last week Thursday or so. And the volume today is not really big. It's 12.4 shares exchanging, and the average volume remains 25 million. So I mean 12.4 million shares. So the average volume remains 25 million shares. There is no any news out there apart from this. Could be Bionano Genomics be a millionaire maker stock? So I think that is all in this video. I don't want to waste your time too much. Possibly tomorrow I'm going to be talking about the technical analysis, because tomorrow is Friday, okay? So we can finally at least talk about what has happened so far during the week. But if you switch over to 5 dailies on this mini chart, you guys can easily see what is going on. More or less what happened there, we went up, consolidate up. Now I believe we are consolidating again, and the next leg should be upward. So I still remain super bullish, and I believe the trend is still bullish, because I have been watching this all day on my, I've been watching the chart of most stocks today, not only Bionano Genomics. So if this is your first time on this channel, please subscribe. We talk about Bionano Genomics every day, okay? I bring you only the juicy news. And of course, I still have about 7 videos lined up. I went to work today, 8 hours work, came back, had to do some other things. So I am waiting for weekend to record all those videos and share more due diligence with you guys. It's going to be amazing. And so far, I remain super bullish, and my price target remain 100 US dollars in the next 5 years. I remain your boy Dayo. This is Frunkla Investment. Let me know what you guys are doing, in the comment section. Let me know what you did today. Did you add to your positions? Did you sell? What are you guys doing? Are you shaking away from Bionano Genomics paper in hand and going into AMC, which of course went down today, or into GME? Let me know what you guys are doing. Bye bye.